Realme is gearing up with GT7 Pro. The GT7 Pro, on the other hand, goes for a squarish shape. Hello guys, welcome back to my channel and subscribe my channel for more latest videos. Thanks. This is the most beautiful design phone. Realme GT7 Pro display screen will be quad curved and made by BOE with 1.5K resolution, 120Hz refresh rate. There is a Qualcomm Snapdragon 888 Lite chipset. This is the most powerful chipset with the addition of an octa-core CPU in order to deliver the extreme performance. And for base graphics, there will be a GPU of Adreno. The smartphone will be big 16 GB of RAM. With the massive internal memory of 512 GB. And there will be large 1 TB of storage, making it enough to store a pretty amount of your data. While on the back side, there will be massive camera sensors. Then one of the cameras on the back will be a 3x optical zoom periscope telephoto using Sony's LYT600 sensor. There will be an in-display fingerprint sensor. The handset is expected to be IP68 and IP69 rated for dust and water resistance. The smartphone will run on Android operating system. It has dual SIM slot and there will be Bluetooth and Wi-Fi. That's all for now and thanks for watching.